To attend courses and take exams, you have to register in time. This allows us to prepare the program, provide course materials, and schedule classrooms. But how does registration work? It's super simple. First, make sure your enrollment is complete. Check the study guide to find out which courses you're required to take and register for. Usually, there are 1 or 2 compulsory courses per period. Next, you can register in the registration module. You can usually pick the work groups that best suit your personal schedule. Changed your mind about a course or an exam? Make sure to deregister in time so other students will have the chance to take the course instead. You can find all information about registration, deregistration, and important deadlines at VU.nl/registration. Alternatively, feel free to pop by the student desk if you have any other questions.